Well, I never thought I'd see this day, but it has arrived. What you're looking at is Columbiana Chevy, Buick, Olds, Cadillac, I guess. But mainly it was Chevy and Cadillac at the end. It's gone. There is nothing here. Sorry about the potato cam. It's emptied out. They've moved. Well, I guess they got bought out. What in the world? Shoot, they're even taking the dang lights with them, I guess. I wonder if they're going to have an auction for this stuff or something. This is weird. I mean, all the times I come down here to wash my laundry, I always look by and think about the, well, this isn't the original Columbiana Chevy. This is the new one after they got bought out, but this is crazy. There's like nothing. I mean, they get the chairs and stuff there, but there's just, it's gone. Showroom, they even took the letters down. But nothing in there, just leftover fixtures and stuff. I never thought I'd see the day when the juggernaut that was Columbiana Chevrolet was gone. I mean, this is weird. I mean, I know that Eckstein sold the franchise, 25 years ago to these guys who ran it for a while. It looks like Cochran's bought them out. They're a big regional thing. I think they got still some of their parts department there. The Charger's still here, but this is nuts. I did not expect this. I wonder if they're going to auction off them lifts. I need a lift in the barn. I don't know if my barn's tall enough for a lift, but I'll find a place for it. Looks like they're cleaning out. I mean, this is just weird. I've never seen this place empty. Now, my memory of Columbiana Chevy is from the other building in Park Avenue. I have painted the inside and outside of that building at least once, including the body shop. And that's now a brewery. I'm guessing that this place will probably end up being the same thing because Columbiana seems to be the good place to open those. Yeah, they must have got bought out by Cochran's, and they, I guess Cochran bought out, I forget who they bought out up in Boardman, but yeah, she's empty. That is weird. Also kind of depressing. Yeah. 8010 Market Street and, oh, Cadillac's 7997 Market Street. They're right next to each other, but they're probably the same thing. Same phone, oh no, different phone numbers. Boy, that's weird. I've never seen that lot empty before. I mean, there used to be houses there, but before that, before they turned it into a parking lot, this is just unusual. I wonder what they're going to do with this place. Yeah, probably up the rent. That's weird because just a few weeks ago I was looking at it, it was running just fine. Or maybe it was a month ago, I forget. Last time I come down here to wash clothes anyway. Well, RIP Columbiana Chevy. See you later.